My name is Bobby Ogren, and I have this shop called Ruben and Bobby. The name is, it's my name, and also Ruben, he stopped 1.5 years ago, one of my good friends. He's like a graphical guy, but now he just had too much work in his like real work. But I have this shop here in Jespergade, number 6 in Nørrebro, where I cut hair, and but I also sell old toys and games from 70s, 80s, 90s, Nintendo, Sega, and stuff like that. All kinds of retro systems and retro toys. And I buy. People can come in and I buy the stuff, or you can trade it for something else or for a haircut. So it's like a trading station, also like that. I started 3 years ago, together with Ruben. So in the beginning it was like even more mixed than it is today, because we had the pictures he made, and he printed T-shirts, his own design and stuff like that. But in the beginning I also had second-hand clothes, but also the toys and the games from the beginning. It was my hobby and my passion, the games and the toys. So I've been like on and off collecting that. So in the beginning was my collection, and then I bought a lot of stuff in the flea market and on the internet. But I was like really trying also to say to people who came and that they can find it, to go home to the parents' house and find their old toys and can trade it for something else, or a haircut, or some money. I have a competition while you get a haircut. You can play right now. It's the Nintendo 8-bit. Right now you can choose between Tetris or Rat Race, and if you beat the high score, you get 20% off your haircut. Right from the beginning, there was like really positive feedback for the shop. It's quite hidden. It's like a small basement, and a lot of people, even though they look for it and have an appointment maybe and only found us on the internet, they have a hard time just finding it, because also our sign is like, I want to buy a new sign because it's like almost broken. It's hard to read what it says, and so it's often the times that people they hear it from someone else, like goes mouth to mouth. And when people come in here, they're like, oh, they get like a lot of people, they just like spontaneously laugh and like, oh, I had this one, it's so funny, and I forgot this one, and it reminds me of Frank, and he was just a funny guy, or something. Like, they got a lot of nostalgia, and so I'm like kind of a museum, and a lot of people just come in and look, and some people buy something, and that's cool, and if people don't buy something, just like look and have a good time, then it's also cool, because as they tell other people, and so it just like it grows slowly, and it's like hidden, and it's and it works. Yeah, it's just cool that people they just have a good time, and they will always get happy when they come in here. I collect at home also, but it's not so much. Actually I have a lot of my collection here, so I also collect for the shop, like stuff that I really want. And I can like say to myself, oh, it's okay, I buy it for myself and for my collection here in the shop, because I'm like selling it. When I get something that I really like in the shop, I just put the price so high that people won't buy it. And then I can like I can just like get my kick out of it, and I can touch it, and I can grow hold of it, and then I can like sell it for cheap. But in the beginning, if people come and they're like, oh, that's really expensive, and maybe it's just because I really don't want to sell it to people, but still I have this shop, and I don't. It's just cool for me also to sell stuff. Then I get money for new stuff, and because as a collector, I really like to see stuff and like play on something, and then I try that, and then it can go on for someone else that can have that good feeling. Right now, my plan for the future is. The next like small time here, I want to have all the white. There's still some room left on the walls, and I just want to have like everything like cramped, so there's stuff like everywhere, so it's like even more. So that's like the future right now, And I'm also feeling, because I have stuff, I need to put a lot of more shelves up, because I have stuff in the back also I want to have up. So I'm kind of feeling now that maybe in the future, like, it could be cool with like a little bigger place, because I want to have more pinballs, I want to have more arcades also and stuff like that. But right now I'm really into toys and games, so that would be that. Yeah, it would be like that in the future.
We'll be right back.